Today video is going to see chemical properties. The first one combustion, second one halogenation. The third one discuss about aromatization. The aromatization, alkanes with 6 to 10 carbon atoms are converted into homologies of benzene at high temperature and in the presence of catalyst. Okay, this process known as aromatization. Okay, it occurs by simultaneous siliciation followed by dehydrogenations of alkanes. The first one, hexane. The hexane converted to benzenes. The N-hexane passed over chromium trioxide supported on alumina at 873 Kelvin gives benzenes. Okay, the N-hexane, this converted chromium trioxide and aluminum trioxide. This 873 kelvins is heated gives benzene. Heated gives benzene. Okay. The second one, the another one discuss a reaction with steam. Okay, the reaction with steam. The first one, the reaction. See the reaction. Methane react with steam 1273 Kelvin. Okay, in the presence of nickel and decomposes to form carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. So, productions of hydrogen gas from methane is known as steam reforming process and is a well established industrial process for the productions of hydrogen gas from hydrocarbons. Fourth one, reactions with steam. Reaction with steam. Methane reaction with steam, H2O gas molecules. Okay. The another one, pyrolysis. The discussed pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is defined as the thermal decomposition of organic compound into smaller fragments in the absence of air through the applications of heat. Pyro means fire and lysis means separating. So pyrolysis. Okay, fire separating. Pyrolysis is alkanes also named as cracking. In the absence of air, when alkane vapor are passed through red hot metal down into simpler hydrocarbons. Okay, the products depends upon the nature of alkanes, temperature and pressure. Alkanes temperature and pressure, presence of absence of the catalyst. Okay, this easy cracking in alkane increases in more molecular weight and branching in alkanes. Cracking plays the important role in the petroleum industry. Cracking in main important role in petroleum industry. Okay, these reactions, 1 2 3 propane, two molecules of propane, 773 kelvins of heated the molecule, so produce the propene, ethene, hydrogen, methane. Okay, the another one, ethene heated 773 Kelvin. So ethene process product to ethene, methane. Okay, the second one, last one discuss isomerization. The last one discuss isomerization. This the first produced to the first one discuss. First one, isomerization is the chemical process by which a compound is transformed into any its isomeric forms. Normal alkanes can be converted into branched alkanes in the presence of aluminum trichloride and hydrochloric at 298 Kelvin. So, this process is of great industrial importance. The quality of gas line is improved by isomerization its components. These uses the alkane 1 2 3 4 4 carbon of present, so propane, aluminum trichloride and hydrochloric acid react to 298 Kelvin. So product 1 2 3 2 methyl propane. Okay, the product 2 the product 2 methyl propane. Okay, the second one, uses the chemical properties of the alkanes. Uses, first one, the exothermic natural gases of the uses of exothermic nature of alkane compositions reaction. They explain the extensive use of alkanes as fuels. Methane present in natural gas is used in home heating. The third one, mixture of propane and butane are known as LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas, which is used for domestic cooking purpose. Okay, the another one uses of gas line. Gasoline is a complex mixture of many hydrocarbons used as a fuel for internal combustion engines. The another one, carbon black is used in the manufacture of ink printer, ink, and black pigments. It is also used as fillers. Okay, the number of carbon atoms, set of the room temperature, major uses. The first one, 1 to 4. 1 to 4 carbons atoms, the presence of gas, room temperature, state of the room temperature gas, major uses of heating fuel, cooking fuel, methane gas, liquefied எல்பிஜிலாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா அதான் ஹீட்டிங் ஃபியூல், குக்கிங் ஃபியூல். ஓகே, தி 5 to 7 carbons of presence, low boiling point liquid, room temperature, low boiling point liquid, solvent, gas line. Okay, the 6 to 12 carbons of present, liquid, gas line. The 12 to 24 carbons of presence, room temperature, liquid, jet fuel, portable, stove fuel, major uses. The 18 to 50 carbon of presence, the room temperature, high boiling liquid, diesel fuel, lubricant, heating oil. Okay, the more than 5, above 50. Okay, solid stage, room temperature, solid stage, above 50 carbons are present, room temperature, solid, major uses of petroleum jelly and paraffin wax. Okay, the second one discuss about alkenes. Okay, the what is mean by alkenes? The carbon to carbon double bond formations of the is called alkenes. So the general formula, alkenes general formula, CnH2n. N standard for number of carbon atom in the molecule. So alkenes are also known as the olefins because the first member ethene combines with chlorine gas to form an oli liquid as product. Okay, the first one, nomenclature of alkenes. The first one, nomenclature of alkenes. The alkenes, first let us the write IUPAC name for the below mentioned alkenes by apply the general rules of nomenclature that we already discussed in lesson 11. Okay, lesson 11 already discussed. The first one, IUPAC names for alkenes structure: CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH2. 3 carbons of present, so proper double bond formations of carbon to carbon double bond formation. Okay, propene, IUPAC name propene. Okay, the second one discuss CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH3. 1 2 3 4 4 carbons of present, so bute, second place of presence of double bond formation, so 2 butene. Okay, 2 butene. So third one discuss CH2 double bond, C single bond, CH3 single bond, CH3. Okay, 1 2 3 3 bond formation, prop. Okay, one methyl group. So the first one present ene group, so one ene. The second one plays 1 2 3 CH2 double bond C single bond CH3 single bond CH3. Okay, 1 2 3. First one plays of ene present, double bond formation present, so 1 ene. The second plays of methyl group present, so 2 methyl prop 1 ene. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 carbon of present, so prop 2 methyl, second place of methyl group present, so 2 methyl. The first place of the ene present, double bond formation present, so 1 ene. Okay, and the fifth one discussed 1 3. The third one, the fifth one discussed CH2 double bond CH single bond CH single bond CH2 single bond CH3. Okay, the 1 2 3 4 naming double bond formation, first place of the double bond formation, first place double bond formation. Okay, carbon to carbon double bond formation. The 1 to third place of the 1 to third, left hand side number of the 1 2 3, right hand side லேருந்து கொடுத்தாலும் 1 2 3. Okay, அப்போ ஸோ தேர்ட் பிளேஸ் ஆஃப் தி மீத்தல் குரூப் presents. Okay, 3 methyl bent 1 in. Okay, so 3 methyl bent 1 2 3 4 5 carbons of present, so 5 carbon bent, so 3 methyl bent 1 in. Okay.